Hi students, welcome. We are going to learn third chapter of part first. Our third chapter is arithmetic progression. First point is a sequence is a collection of numbers arranged in a definite true order according to some definite rule. सिक्वेन्स म्हणजे काय तर ठराविक क्रमाने आणि ठराविक नियमाने लिहिलेल्या संख्यांचा समूह. एक्झाम्पल 2, 4, 6, 8 सो ऑन. येथे आपण पुढची दोन पदे सांगू शकतो कारण या संख्या ठराविक क्रमाने आणि ठराविक नियमाने लिहिलेल्या आहेत. द नंबर्स आर डिनोटेड बाय A1, A2, A3, A4 सो ऑन AN. सिक्वेन्समधील जे नंबर्स आहेत ते A1, A2, A3, A4 सो ऑन AN नी दर्शविले जातात. A1 फर्स्ट, A2 सेकंड, AN इज द nth टर्म. सिक्वेन्समध्ये A1 ही फर्स्ट टर्म असते, A2 ही सेकंड टर्म असते आणि AN ही nth टर्म असते. A sequence of the numbers is denoted by F1, F2, F3 and so on. सिक्वेन्स मधील नंबर्स F1, F2, F3 ने डिनोट केले जातात. In a sequence, ordered terms are represented as T1, T2, T3, Tn. In general, is written as Tn. If the sequence is finite, for every positive integer n, there is a term Tn. सिक्वेन्स हा Tn ने डिनोट केला जातो. Observe the given example. In first example, 70 minus 100 is equal to minus 30, 40 minus 70 is equal to minus 30, 10 minus 40 is equal to minus 30 and so on. In second example, minus 4 minus minus 7 is equal to 3, minus 1 minus minus 4 is equal to 3 and so on. In the given sequence, if the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then the sequence is called arithmetic progression. जर कोणत्याही दोन क्रमागत पदांमधील फरक स्थिर असेल तर त्या सिक्वेन्सला अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन म्हणतात. आपण अगोदर उदाहरणामध्ये पाहिलेलंच आहे की टू कॉन्झिक्युटिव्ह टर्ममधील प्रत्येक ठिकाणी डिफरन्स कसा होता, कॉन्स्टंट होता. लक्षात येते का? मग टू कॉन्झिक्युटिव्ह टर्म्समधील डिफरन्स कॉन्स्टंट असेल तर त्या सिक्वेन्सला अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन म्हटलं जातं. डिफरन्स मे बी निगेटिव्ह, पॉझिटिव्ह or 0. In the sequence, D is common difference. In an AP, first term is denoted by A and common difference is D. Arithmetic progression मध्ये फर्स्ट टर्म A ने डिनोट केली जाते आणि कॉमन डिफरन्स D ने डिनोट केला जातो. T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to A plus D, T3 is equal to A plus 2D. Arithmetic progression having first term as A and common difference D is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Let's start practice set 3.1. Question number 1. Which of the following sequences are arithmetic progression? If they are arithmetic progression, find the common difference. दिलेले सिक्वेन्स अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन आहेत किंवा नाहीत ते लिहायचं आहे आणि अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन असतील तर कॉमन डिफरन्स आपल्याला लिहायचा आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. दिलेले सिक्वेन्सेस अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन आहेत किंवा नाही हे पाहण्यासाठी अगोदर आपल्याला कॉमन डिफरन्स पाहावा लागेल. हिअर T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 4, T3 is equal to 6, T4 is equal to 8. Answer. Here the first term T1 is equal to 2. T2 minus T1 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. T3 minus T2 is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. T4 minus T3 is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Observe, here difference is constant, that is 2. The difference between any two consecutive term is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. The common difference is D is equal to 2. येथे प्रत्येक टू कॉन्झिक्युटिव्ह टर्ममधील डिफरन्स कॉन्स्टंट आहे, म्हणून दिलेला सिक्वेन्स अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन आहे आणि D इज इक्वल टू 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, -10, -6, -2 to so on. Answer, here T1 is equal to 10, T2 is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to -6 minus 10 is equal to -6, minus into minus plus 10 is equal to 4. T3 minus T2 is equal to -2 minus -6 is equal to -2, minus into minus plus 6 is equal to 4. T4 minus T3 is equal to 2 minus -2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Observe, here difference is constant. The difference between any two consecutive term is constant. The given sequence, therefore the given sequence is an AP. The common difference D is equal to 4. Example number 4, 0.3, 0.33, 0.333. T1 is equal to 0.3, T2 is equal to 0.33, T3 is equal to 0.333. Answer, here the first term T1 is equal to 0.3. T2 minus T1 is equal to 0.33 minus 0.3 is equal to 0.3. T3 minus T2 is equal to 0.333 minus 0.33 is equal to 0.003. Here difference is not constant. The difference between any two consecutive terms is not constant. Therefore, the given sequence is not an AP. येथे कोणत्याही दोन क्रमागत पदांमधील फरक स्थिर नाही, म्हणून दिलेला सिक्वेन्स अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन नाही. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 8, 127, 132, 137 so on. Answer, here the first term T1 is equal to 127. T2 minus T1 is equal to 132 minus 127 is equal to 5. T3 minus T2 is equal to 137 minus 132 is equal to 5. Difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, that is 5. The difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. The common difference D is equal to 5. Then question number 2, write an arithmetic progression whose first term is A and common difference D in the each of the following. इथे आपल्याला प्रत्येक क्वेश्चनमध्ये A म्हणजेच फर्स्ट टर्म आणि कॉमन डिफरन्स D दिलेला आहे. वी हॅव स्टडीड दॅट T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to A plus D, किंवा मग T2 is equal to T1 plus D, T3 is equal to T2 plus D, T4 is equal to T3 plus D. 1. Question number 1. A is equal to 10, D is equal to 5. Answer, A is equal to T1 is equal to 10, T2 is equal to T1 plus D, T1 is 10 plus D is equal to 5. Therefore, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. T3 is equal to T2 plus D, 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. T5 is equal to T4 plus D, 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. Therefore, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 so on is required AP. Number 2, a is equal to minus 3, d is equal to 0. Answer, we know a is equal to t1 is equal to minus 3. t2 is equal to t1 plus d minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3. t3 is equal to t2 plus d minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3. t4 is equal to t3 plus d minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, minus 3, comma minus 3, comma minus 3, comma minus 3, so on is the required arithmetic progression. Then third, a is equal to minus 7, d is equal to 1 upon 2. Answer, a is equal to t1 is equal to minus 7. d is equal to 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2 means 0.5. t2 is equal to t1 plus d minus 7 plus 0.5 is equal to minus 6.5. t3 is equal to t2 plus d minus 6.5 plus 0.5 is equal to minus 6. t4 is equal to t3 plus d minus 6 plus 0.5 is equal to minus 5.5. Therefore, minus 7, comma minus 6.5, comma minus 6, comma minus 5.5, so on is the required AP. Question number 3. Find the first term and common difference of each of the arithmetic progression. खाली दिलेल्या प्रत्येक अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशनमधून आपल्याला ए म्हणजेच फर्स्ट टर्म आणि कॉमन डिफरन्स डी फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. नंबर 1, 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, so on. Here t1 is equal to 5, t2 is equal to 1, t3 is equal to minus 3, t4 is equal to minus 7, so on. Therefore, answer here a is equal to t1 is equal to 5, t2 is equal to 1, t3 is equal to minus 3, t4 is equal to minus 7, so on. d is equal to t2 minus t1 is equal to 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. d is equal to t3 minus t2 is equal to minus 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 4. d is equal to t4 minus t3 is equal to minus 7 minus minus 3 is equal to minus 7 minus into minus plus 3 is equal to minus 4. Therefore, here first term a is equal to 5 and common difference d is equal to minus 4. Example number 4. 1 upon 4, comma 3 upon 4, comma 5 upon 4, comma 7 upon 4, so on. Here t1 is equal to 1 upon 4, t2 is equal to 3 upon 4, t3 is equal to 5 upon 4, t4 is equal to 7 upon 4. Answer, here a is equal to t1 is equal to 1 upon 4, t2 is equal to 3 upon 4, t4 is equal to 7 upon 4, so on. We have to find common difference d. Therefore, d is equal to t2 minus t1 is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. d is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. Denominator is same. 5 minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. d is equal to t4 minus t3 is equal to 7 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4. 7 minus 5 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. Here the first term a is equal to 1 upon 4 and common difference d is equal to 1 upon